Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to flip through the latest Mythographic release. I had this on pre-order, so it is already out. It actually came last week. I'm just lazy on recording. But is the latest one from Mythographic. It is a Joseph Kattenbang, and it's called Labyrinth. So I do flip throughs of these types of books. So if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe if you want to catch flip throughs and book reviews. And if you're not new, well, welcome back. Okay, so Joseph Kattenbang has started to become one of my favorite artists, for sure. Oh, I'm so sorry about the dog barking. I like his style. It's very, I don't know, it's quite unique. So it's that same paper, which is good, perforated edges, single-sided, which we can always appreciate. And now we're gonna just soak up the artwork. He's got a very distinctive style, if you ask me. That is insanely busy. I don't know if I would color that one. That's just me. Ooh, but I would color that one. That's the thing, some of his images, they just spark something in you and you're like, oh, I see it finished. I just don't know how to bring it to that vision. Gorgeous. Oh, beautiful. Absolutely lovely. Now I'm not doing a giveaway on this one. I know on some of my flip throughs lately, I'll be doing giveaways. It just depends on the book. Oops, let me hit the camera. While we're at it, please give me a thumbs up. I'm serious though. Just ignore that whole camera boop. Boop the like button instead of booping the camera. Oh, I love that one. Oh, so cute. His stuff just gets better and better now that he's not doing the whole hidden objects. That is cool. That is really cool. And you could do these anyway. And we get, what are these? Cat butterflies? Fishes? I don't know. Like, none of these have to be traditional colors. Like, straight out, break out of the norm, do something crazy. Oh my gosh, that's really creepy. I don't know if I'd color that one. You gotta be in the mood for that one. Oh my gosh, that's wicked. Ooh, check that out. That's cool. Let me know if you ordered this one, what you think. I'm liking that, actually. I mean, it is called Labyrinth, so you got to keep in mind the name of the book. The artists tend to stick to that. Ooh, I like this. This is really cool. It's her dress, and these are just like the folds in the dress, but they're not. They're like a tree. That's awesome. I'm just always blown away at the creativity of the Mythographic team. Any of the artists from them, I'm just like, wow, I want to live in your head for a day. Just let me have your creativity just for a minute. I want to think of freaking floating turtles and waves crashing on a city. Come on. I want to think that way for a day. Ooh, that's cool. I like that one too. I've got the little star symbols. I like this one a lot for some reason, and I can't tell you why. I really can't. It's like a Rubik's Cube almost. Like breaking apart, but there's something about that picture that I'm really drawn to. Oh, this one too, with the puzzle pieces. That's absolutely stunning. Gosh, he is so talented. These pages can be overwhelming. Example right there. So like I said, you got to be in the mood for it, but gosh, when you see people complete his pages, or any Mythographic page, you're just blown away. Oh, I love this one. The keys are butterflies. Oh my gosh. It's beautiful. Nice thick paper too. You could totally do these with marker, watercolor. I'm so happy they aren't swapping paper. A lot of companies have been cheapening down their paper, and I appreciate that Mythographic is not. Like I said, I would always pay more. Oh, it's a snail. I like this one too. I would always pay more. Just up the price and I'll pay more for the good paper. Like, don't give me crappy paper. This one isn't really speaking to me. At least not in the moment. I like this one. Oh, the puzzle pieces again. I really like this one. This is cool. Like, so see all these little elements popping through the puzzle? You can make the puzzle like its own color scheme and then everything popping out something else. So that it's clear it's coming from like another universe popping through your puzzle. Could you imagine if you were doing a jigsaw puzzle and something just started sprouting? I want to live in that world actually. Ooh, that's a lot of crystals. I gotta be in the mood for crystals. Ooh, that one's very creepy. I don't like arachnoids. That's just a personal preference. I'm not going to hold it against the artist. This one's pretty cool too. Mind-boggling. Oh, it's like Alice in Wonderland in a way. The dude. You know what dude I'm talking about. That's cool. And that is it. So yeah, this is, gosh, what was the last one he released? Was the last one he released Magical Earth? I can't remember now. And it even tells you on the back, you're unraveling the mesmerizing mysteries of surreal dream worlds. So, I mean, this is a pretty cool book. I'm not gonna lie to you. I've become a fan. I used to not be a fan of his, but as his style has evolved, I've really started to like the work, and I've been buying, these are on auto buy, meaning if I know there's a pre-order, I put it up and I'm totally confident. So yeah, that is Mythographic Labyrinth. The artist on this one is Joseph Kattenbein. I will leave a link in the description below. Let me know if you got this one, if you kept it, you liked it. Usually my rule is if 90% of the book I like, I will keep it, and I definitely am going to keep this one. So I'll do some coloring in this. I just have to be in the mood for these types of books. But thanks for hanging out with me, and until next time, take care. Bye now.